you're filling your stomach with trash? Do you know that you're filling your stomach with trash? Question mark. Do you know you're filling your stomach with trash? Third, do you know the benefits of organic food? Do you know the benefits? Either you can write this or you can even write, do you know how harmful junk food is? Any question. Do you know how harmful junk food is? So 3 questions. At least 3. If you cannot get 3, 2 at least compulsory. So 3 questions. Now leave again 2 lines, some space, and I'm dictating a paragraph. Write down the paragraph. Junk food has become very famous due to its mouth-watering taste and is consumed by and is a favorite of many people and is a favorite especially amongst youngsters. You can write even that. Or has become favorite for many people. Anything. Junk food has become very famous and is very favorite amongst many, especially amongst the youngsters, for its mouth-watering taste or uh, for its taste, you can say. Anything. Junk food is actually slow poison. Right now, continue. Junk food is actually slow poison causing obesity, 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 liver diseases, diabetes, and many other harmful diseases. And many other harmful diseases. Full stop. This food is rich in calories. This food is rich in calories. This food is rich in calories, comma, fats, sugar and salt, sugar and salt, and seems to be very yummy. And seems to be very yummy. Seems to be very yummy, but but is very risky, but is very risky as it spoils your health, as it spoils your health drastically, drastically, and spoils your health drastically. Full stop. Organic food is a blessing, is a blessing to our health, to our health. And therefore, one must eat, or therefore you must eat fresh, local, and seasonal food, fresh, local, and seasonal food because, my dear friends, my dear friends, health is wealth. Because, my dear friends, health is wealth. Full stop. Next line. We must live to eat and not live to eat. We must live, we must eat to live. We must eat to live and not live to eat. Not live to eat. To have a healthy mind, to have a healthy mind. In order to have a healthy mind, you can write that also. We must eat to live and not live to eat in order to have a healthy mind in a healthy body. Full stop. Now it is like a slogan. Down, leave little, very little space and write one slogan. You have to write a slogan. It is my call. It is my call, CALL, comma, your call, comma, our call, OUR, our call. Now what does it mean? Everyone must stop eating junk food. It is the call. So it is my call, your call, our call. Now you have drawn the frame. That down bottom frame, yes, yes. Leave some line, 2, 3 lines for that slogan and write it is my call. No, not necessary. Only thing it should be, I mean, the presentation is important. It should be whichever way you want to write, make it attractive. Or it's even simple by exclamation marks, hyphen, so on. Now, what was that? It is my call, your call, and our call. Now, that frame which you have drawn at the bottom, just above that, on the frame, you write, for more information, for more information, contact. I'll just write any name. Anil 88888. See, now this is left to you. For more, but for more information is important. For more queries or for more information, you can write to contact www some website number. You can write some email ID. Okay, but this is easiest. For more information, contact Anil 88888. That now, yes, that you have drawn that box, right? So down at the bottom, just on that line above, you have to write for more information ending. For more information, contact Anil 88888. Now that has to be fictitious. Now why are we writing that? Because we should know from where this message has come, who has sent, whether it is genuine or not. So we can contact and find out that yes, this is a genuine message, and it should be worth noting. Some no doctor has written, or some whoever your website and all, you can log in and find out it is truth. So that is what a pamphlet is. When we get pamphlets, we get such information that we should find out source from the source whether it is right or wrong. Now this is one example writing. This consists of 4 marks, and marks are there for all the steps. That is the heading, the diagram or the logo, the questions and the content, and down that for more information and the slogan. So 4 marks question. Now I'm giving you one more update. Take down the question. Only draft an appeal. Draft an appeal requesting the public to donate their eyes. To donate their eyes. Now, again, you have to draw the frame. Okay. Now you should know where how much space you require for your writing, for your diagram and all. Some can mention half a page, no page left. It is always to the page, write it very neatly, leaving space here and there. So now draw that box. There's no need to take a ruler and all now, just draw it roughly. That exam time you should do it, of course. Now write the heading. Now heading, as I said, has to be catchy. So you can write, pledge your eyes, donate your eyes, help the blind, or you can even write, do a social deed. Okay, that way. So anything, your title, you can write whichever you want connected to the eyes. Okay. Now, on the left hand side of the heading and on the right side, there is space because this you have written in the center. What you have to do is draw an eye because we should know it is about eye donation. So draw the eyes either on both the sides, one eye this side, one, or just one eye. But one diagram is compulsory. So just draw roughly right now, draw an eye. And that diagram has to be with pencil. Always. Now that you have done, leave some space, 2-3 lines, write the question. I'm dictating the questions. See, all this is not there in the book, but this is for practice in the textbook. And I'm dictating on my own. And sometimes you have to like grammar and all that. All the grammar will not be in the textbook. So I will have to take from reference books here and there and give you all some examples. Okay. So now that is why I do not keep any, unless doing the text on that, then I'll be keeping showing the page. Otherwise, there is no sense in Okay. Now, what did we do? Now, questions. Yes. Write the question. First one. Do you know that Aishwarya Rai has donated her eyes? Do you know that Aishwarya Rai has donated her eyes? Question mark. Do you know how many blind people are there in our country? Do you know how many blind people are there in our country? Do you want to live even after your death? Live even after your death. Now, such means when public will already live, but of death, the organs are removed and those want to live. Now, when a person dies, or the person who has donated eyes fills a form, and those organs are removed and transplanted to the needy person. That is, they and they donate their organs. That's it. Again,
Not able to understand.
what I gave earlier wasn't understood. Hello, should I repeat this again? I'm repeating that. I'm repeating this question again. Draft an appeal requesting the people to come forward to donate their eyes. Now, this is regarding eye donation. Now, you have drawn the box with pencil. Now, write the heading. Heading can be catchy, should be catchy, impressive, donate your eyes, pledge your eyes, exclamatory mark there, or help the blind. That can be the title. On the left hand side or the right hand side of the heading, you're going to draw logo. Your logo here means diagram. You're going to draw the eyes, either one or both the sides. One is compulsory because diagram also is, there are marks for the diagram. One mark for the diagram. So draw the eye roughly right now. Of course, during the exam, you have to draw it very nicely. Now, those who are not good in drawing, now, for example, even I'm not good in drawing. So what will I do? Roughly, at least it should be clear that it is an eye. That's all. Now, that much is done. That much is clear, students. Should I go ahead?
Yes, miss.
Question one was, do you know that Aishwarya Rai has donated her beautiful eyes? Do you know that Aishwarya Rai has donated her beautiful eyes? Second, do you know how many blind people are there in our country? Do you know how many blind people are there in our country? And the questions can be your own. Do you want the blind to see the beautiful world? Do you want the blind to see the beautiful world? Or do you want to live even after your death? Anything, whichever question you want, you write it. three questions. Now, again, after writing the questions, you have to leave some space to make it look like a pamphlet. Leave some space, 2 or 3 lines, and write a paragraph. I'm dictating the paragraph. I'll start. The Rotary Club of North Mumbai, the Rotary, Rotary, the Rotary Club of North Mumbai is organizing a blood donation camp, an eye donation camp, from 25th to 31st December, from 25th to 31st December 2020, on Kura Kendra ground. On Kura Kendra ground, you can write any place, okay? On Kura Kendra ground, between 10 and 5 p.m. Full stop. Between 10 and 5, or from 10 to 5 p.m., whatever. Continue. A medical team from KEM hospital, now that can be any hospital. A medical team from KEM hospital will be conducting the camp. Full stop. The chief guest on the occasion will be Aishwarya Rai herself. The chief guest on the occasion will be Aishwarya Rai herself. Now, why do we write such this thing, make it so impressive? Because we want majority of the people to come forward. The chief guest on the occasion will be Aishwarya Rai herself. Full stop. Come along with your family and friends. Come along with your family and friends. Now, supposing this gets, because it is 40 minutes that Zoom lecture, you all please rejoin, okay? Yes, come along with your family and friends and pledge your eyes, pledge, P-L-E-D-G, pledge your eyes by, by, by filling a form, and doing a social deed, to help the blind. Social deed to help the blind. Full stop. And that is the paragraph. Now you're going to write a slogan down. Now here the slogan can be come one, come all. Right? Come one, come one, all. Or if you want any other slogan which fits into this category in this on this topic, you can write that. Come one, come all. Or you can even write, come pledge your eyes, come donate your eyes, come help the blind. Something like that you can have. Now, on that phrase, you are going to write information. For more information, contact any number. You can write drop. You can write or you want to www something KEM hospital, KEM hospital, whatever. It's important. So that you can write anything. Or contact and write anything there, either website or email ID or some number or some name. Now this is regarding the eye donation. Now we have done towards our risk now. Now moving on to yes, yes. First box, pencil. Okay. First, draw a frame, a box, after that, a paragraph. Okay. Now what you have to do is for appeal writing, draw a box. Draw a box with pencil. Then write the heading inside. Then draw the diagram or the logo. Then three questions. After leaving, yeah. Now everything will be inside box. See, I think you were not there last. First thing is you have to draw the frame or the box on the page. Take the entire page. Then inside the page, now everything will be inside. Inside the page, start beginning writing the heading. After the heading, heading will be on this in the center of the page above. On the left side or the head diagram with pencil. Some space and write three questions. Write three questions. After that, leave some space and write a paragraph. After that, leave some space and write a slogan. After that, Right at the bottom, above that frame, you write for more information, contact so and so. These are the steps. This is the format for appeal writing. Now, what you can do is, if you have written, you can share the screen. If you have written, you can share the screen now. If you want to, sometime later on. Now it's 11:36. Okay, now I wanted to start grammar. Okay, it won't be able to finish that. Now, see, next time I'm going to do grammar. Yeah. Ah. You have to write it inside the box, just above that line which you have drawn, that frame at the bottom of the bottom of the whole thing. You have to write for more information. Now you can write anything. For more information, contact. Or for further inquiries, contact. That contact is important because we should know from where this particular message has come from, whether it is genuine or it's just fake. So some information, some contact, some website number, some email ID, or that anything that is left to you, or some phone number. You can write that so that people can contact and find out whether this particular message is right or not. Now this is the format. Now you can, when you're going along, just pick up a pamphlet and see where there is